Nathan, Nathan, are you the bowling king? Nathan, are you the bowling king? No? Is Daddy the bowling king? Daddy used to be the bowling king. He used to be a pretty good bowler. How about you? Are you the bowling queen? No. Honestly.
Love you.
I love you.
Okay, that's enough.
Love you, Brianna.
Skinny people are back there.
What is Brandon doing? He's looking like he's got something stuck in his butt or something.
Girls, come this way. Jada and Madison, or Jada and Austin, come this way.
You like the water? Huh? They see the big kids go out there, so the little ones always want to go out there too. You know that Angelette's got those eyebrows look just like Grandma Lila. What you doing? You're cold, so you're gonna bury yourself in the sand?
The sand's nice and warm. Alright, go. Hey, Ari, go rinse off and I'll get your towel for you, okay?
There you go.
We'll
There's an idea.
Off and then we'll wrap you up in a towel. Okay. I'm just cold.
Are you doing tricks? Harry, you doing tricks? How about you, Junior? You doing tricks, buddy?
Yeah, I'm getting tired.
You're getting tired? Are you getting tired, Ariana? Yeah? Careful up there, kiddo. Look at that. Careful, baby. Look at her.
Oh, good job. Don't go down the side. Okay, don't go down there.
Careful, Angelette. Good job.
Okay, guys.